All right, so we've got sum, average, counting numbers, and counting names. So we'll start off with summing. So we want the answer to be at the bottom of this. So we're gonna start with below the sum. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna click on this backwards E symbol, which is the sum symbol, and we're gonna sum. And automatically Excel knows that I want to do these. Now if it doesn't, if I wanna move my selection down, I can certainly do that. We're going to just leave it there, hit enter, and now it's summed. And here's the sum formula, which is sum, and then we're going to the starting cell, colon, which is the range, and A4. So let's say that I wanted to, let's change this a little bit, and I only want to sum this one and that one. So we're going to have to select them both, and I used control to select them both. So I should get the answer 4 here, and notice that in my formula here is now separated by a comma. I'm going to hit enter, and now we're at 4. So that's how you would do sum. Average is very similar. So instead of summing, we're going to pick average. Excel automatically selects what it thinks I want to average, and does it. Now I'm going to stop right here. We're going to come down here, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to average, and pick the whole thing. And still does the exact same thing for us. Now let's say that I move this down. It still keeps it, but notice it's just that range. So if I type a number here, oh, it was smart enough to pick that up, and it just automatically grouped it for me. If I want to average just 2 of the numbers or 3 of the numbers, I can do that, and it'll do that for me as well. Counting, you just, again, coming back over here to count. It wants to count, and it counts my numbers. What about if I want to count names? Let's do count. Oh, look, it went that way, because it knows that these aren't numbers. But no, I want to count this, Excel. Oh, well, that didn't work. Well, that's because we have to use a different formula. We're going to use count A, which counts names or strings. And of course, if we move this down here, oh, we still have 3. So now if I start typing in this Sabrina, now it counts 4, 5. Oh, but it didn't get that one because it's out of our range. So we would just expand the range and it gets it. And that is some basic formulas for you.